root of 2 plus square root of x equals 2. So from here, let's square both sides. So we say squaring both sides. So we have square root of 2 plus square root of x square equals, then we have 2 square. So now let's recall that if you have a plus b square, this will be equals a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So now let's apply this to this. If you apply it, we are going to have square root of 2 square plus 2 times square root of 2 times square root of x, then plus we have square root of x square. This is equals, this 2 square will give us 4, right? So we will have this, we cancel this as well, this we cancel this. So we have 2 plus, we have 2 times square root of 2 times square root of x plus x equals 4. Also here, let's recall that if we have square root of m multiplied by square root of n, this is equals square root of mn. Applying this to this, we will have 2, right? Then we have 2 times 2 square root of 2, 2 times square root of x. So if you multiply this, we are going to have 2 square root of 2 times x, we have 2x, right? Plus we have this x equals, we have 4 here. So this 2 here, if we transfer it to the other side, we have minus 2. So we have 2 square root of 2x plus x equals 4 minus 2, we have 2, right? So if you still transfer this x to this side, we'll have 2 square root of 2x equals 2 minus x. And here we can easily divide both sides by 2. We know this 2, we cancel this 2, we'll have square root of 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2. So and we are solving for x, and we have to get rid of this square root, and to do that we can say we square both sides. So we have squaring both sides, we will have square root of 2x square equals, here we have 2 minus x divided by 2 square. And you know, these 2 we cancel the square root. So we'll have 2x equals, this means we have 2 minus x divided by 2, again multiply by 2 minus x divided by 2. And if you expand these brackets, we are going to have 2x equals, we have 2 times 2 will give us 4, right? So then 2 times minus x will give us minus 2x. Again, minus x times 2 will give us minus 2x. Minus x times minus x will give us plus x squared divided by, we have 2 times 2 will give us 4. So from here you can easily cross multiply, and if you do, we have 2x times 4, we have 2x multiplied by 4 equals, this we have 4 minus 2x, we have minus 4x plus x squared. So we have 2x times 4, we have 4 eighths, that's 8x, right? Equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared. So we have, so this will becomes x squared. You can transfer this 8x to this side. We have x squared, right? So we have minus 4x. Then you transfer this one here. We have minus 8x, and we have plus a plus 4 equals 0. So this will becomes x squared minus 4x minus 8x will give us minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. You observe that this is a quadratic equation, and to get the value of x, you have to solve this equation quadratically. So let's do. This equation is of the form ax squared, right, plus bx plus c equals 0, right? So here you can declare, you can compare that we have our a coefficient of x squared to be 1, b coefficient of x, or coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of x is minus 12, as you can see, and our c, which is constant, equals 4. So from the general equation of quadratic formula, which says x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now let's substitute these values into this quadratic formula. We have x equals minus, what's our b? That's minus 12 plus or minus square root of, we have b to be minus 12, so we have minus 12 square minus 4 times, what's our a? That is 1, and what's our c? That's 4, right? So divided by 2 times a, that is 1. We have x to be equals minus times minus will give us 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square will give us 144. And here, if you say minus 4 times 1 will give us minus 4 times 4 again will give us minus 16, right? Divided by 2 times 1 will give us 2. So we have x to be equals 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16 will give us 128, right? Divided by 2. So we have x to be equals 12 plus or minus. So if you look at 128, 128 can be further broken down into 64 times 2, right? Divided by 2. So now we'll have our x to be equals 12 plus or minus. You can distribute this square root to both 64 and 2. So we have 64 times square root of 2 divided by 2. And we will have x to be equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 will give us, that's 8. Then we have root 2 here divided by 2, right? So we can split this to be x equals 12 divided by 2 plus or minus 8 root 2 divided by 2. And here we'll have x to be equals 12 divided by 2 will give us 6 plus or minus 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we have 4 root 2. From here you can declare that our x equals 6 plus 4 root 2 or 6 minus 4 root 2. So this is your final